Hey, good morning. It's Greg at Clearwater 124. Just gonna show my rollback or ramp truck or whatever you want to call it. Finished it up this morning. It's a 1956 Chevrolet with a 3D printed rollback bed. Got a push bar on the front, side fuel tanks. Got an oil drum, a winch, and a jack there. You get rear mud flaps, tail lights, full interior, complete brass chassis. It's like a ladder style chassis, but it was a lot of work to build. I'll run a few laps with it. It runs pretty much how I expected. Gets around the track okay. I think I might have a bad pinion I might have to change out. I don't know if that's because of the weight. It's like 360 something grams, so it's a pretty heavy vehicle. Oh, and it does, it clips the bottom of the two underpasses, the roof on the pickup does. Yeah, I think that pinion's slipping. That's going to be a pain in the ass. You got to take the motor back out and change that. It's pretty cool. Coincidentally enough, that fits there pretty good. That's a Sunbeam Tiger. Yeah, there's the pinion. That extra weight. That was a brand new pinion too. That came in the Slot Car Corner kit. Anyway, so I'll make a pinion change. But that's the rollback. I'm very happy with it. I had no expectations when I started it. I'd never built a chassis like this. I wasn't sure how that was going to work. But man, I really like it. I'm glad I did it. What I'll do is once I get that pinion replaced and get it running right, is I'll do another video on it with the Sunbeam Tiger on there. All right, thanks for coming by. I'll see you next time once I get this running properly. Thanks, guys. See ya. Greg from Clearwater 124 signing off.